In this video, I'm gonna be using Tinder Passport to swipe in one of the sexiest cities in the world, Stockholm, Sweden. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. If you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button. I'm your go-to source for hilarious, entertaining, and helpful Tinder videos. So if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've been posting videos swiping around the world for a few weeks now, and it seems like every time I post a new video, you guys are commenting, please swipe in Sweden. So without further ado, here it is. So we're gonna fire up the old Tinder machine here. Okay, we're already off to a really good start here. Before I go too hard on the swiping though, let's check out the top picks and see what we're working with here. I feel like it's always really fun to start with the top picks. Okay, wow, not bad. I've never actually been to Sweden. I've been to Europe a couple times, but never like the Nordic countries. So depending how this video goes, I might decide whether Sweden's on my list of travel plans for sure. Okay, yeah, not bad. I feel like everyone here is like blonde, eh? Oh, she's on a boat. Either a huge red flag or it means she's got money. So we'll swipe right, take a gamble on that. What do you guys think? Are boat pictures a giant red flag, or is that just my opinion? The way I look at it, like if it's not her family's boat, I wonder, you know, like why she's on the boat, you know? Like whose boat is that? There's always a story to be unpacked there. Okay, this girl's an absolute 9 out of 10. Wow, okay. She's gonna get a big right swipe. A huge right swipe. Just massive. Okay, like I can't even swipe left at this point. This is very difficult. Okay, I don't know if Tinder's glitching or if she just has no information about herself, but kind of sketch. We'll give her a right swipe. I'll take a gamble on that one. Okay, yeah. These girls are all just like really, really pretty. Like, wow. Is everyone in Sweden just like a model or what? What's going on? Oh, wow. That view is beautiful. It kind of looks like the mountain from Lion King. A little bit. Damn, if I match with this girl, I'm telling her, like, she's got to show me that mountain. That place is dope. Oh, okay. She can dunk. That's cool. Yeah, I think I'm already in love with Sweden at this point. I think it's official. Oh, nice. Volkswagen. Love a nice Beetle. Oh, wow. Damn. She's got the prettiest eyes. Okay, we're gonna give her a right swipe. So I'd say we're off to a pretty good start. Like the top picks there were obviously smoke shows. What do you expect? It's top picks, but let's see what the actual Tinder feed looks like to get like a realistic kind of average of, you know, what we're working with here in Sweden. Okay. Oh, no, I don't want to super like you. Okay, here we go. Seems like there's a lot of people from like 10,000 kilometers away that are also passporting in Sweden, so something to keep in mind. Yeah, like 13,000 kilometers away. They're thinking the same thing I'm thinking, you know? They're like, yep, we got to swipe in Sweden for sure. You know, so many of you guys were commenting like, please swipe on Sweden. So I had to make this video for you guys by request. Do you want a Canadian boyfriend? So if there's a city you guys want to see me swipe on in another video, definitely comment it below. I'm open to suggestions, and if I like the city enough, I will do a video there. So flood the comment section of this video, honestly. Oh, nice dog. Oh, okay, we got a match. I want to meet your doggy. Put a little emoji there just so it's not like, you know, too dirty. Belinda. There's a lot going on here, Belinda. What are you, like a fairy princess or what? Oh, she goes to raves now, it makes sense. Wow, oh damn. Okay, yep, big right swipe. Wow. This is like another level, guys. Like Sweden, I don't know like what they're feeding these people, but it seems like everyone in Sweden is just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not mad about it at all. Oh, wow. Yeah, she definitely does her squats. Oh, we got a match. Wanna rip a a huge leg day with me. She definitely doesn't miss leg day, so I could probably learn a thing or two from her. Okay. This girl like is a gardener or something. She looks like really depressed at that bus stop. Have you tried Uber? Okay, wow. Sophie, hello. Oh, okay, we got a match here, boys. I'm just gonna straight up say Netflix and chill. Just, you know, throw that out there. Just float it out there and see, hey, maybe if she's interested. That'd be huge. Okay, yep, big right swipe. Okay, no, big left swipe. Oh, Sophie, hello. Yo, she has a helicopter? That is dope. Okay. Freja. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that name right, but she'd get it for sure. Oh, this girl's name is Siri. I wonder how many horrible Siri puns she gets. Hey Siri, play... Oh.
I'm learning how to choose the right audio apps for you.
No, okay, I don't really want that. Despacito. Did I spell that correctly? I'll try it. I'll put like a little dance emoji there too. She probably gets these awful like Siri puns all day long. I kind of feel bad, but she's gonna get it today too. If I were her, I would probably just instantly unmatch anyone who uses a Siri pun because it's probably like 99% of the messages she's getting. At that point, maybe change your name. I don't know. It's pretty unfortunate. Same thing goes for girls named Alexa. Like, got a bad roll of the dice on that one, you know? Whoa, she's 44. Yep, okay. Oh, boys. Okay, we got a bit of a MILF action going on here. Looking for a Canadian boyfriend? Winky face? We know why she's on here, you know? This isn't like coffee meets bagel. If you're 44 on Tinder, odds are you're looking for one thing and one thing only. Yup, you'll get it. Okay. This girl looks like 8 feet tall, but I'll take a gamble on it. Oh wow. Our babies are going straight to the NBA. I'm gonna put like a little basketball emoji. Yeah, because she looks like 9 feet tall. One thing I don't like is that Tinder Gold sometimes put like this little gold heart beside girls when you're swiping, which basically means like, hey, they swiped right on you. But I feel like that kind of ruins the fun of it. You know, like it takes away like the slot machine element of Tinder. So if anyone's like a developer at Tinder and you're watching this, like, come on guys, get rid of that feature. You're really killing the fun. Like for example, see this little like gold heart? This girl definitely swiped right on me. So we'll like swipe right and there you go, like instant match. I'd crush you at Mario Kart. So yeah, no one likes a spoiler alert. And like, I think we could do without that feature, to be honest. Whoa. Boys, I think I found the one. I think I found my Swedish wifey here. Honestly, I would fly to Sweden just to drink this girl's bathwater, so I'm gonna give her a super like for sure. Because I think she needs to know. Okay, wow, another one. Again, I would fly to Sweden to also drink this girl's bathwater. There's gonna be a couple bathwaters in this video, eh? We're gonna give her a super like. Okay, not bad as well. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm becoming a huge fan of Sweden. Like honestly guys, I'm considering buying a ticket out there right now and just trying to find a way to like live in IKEA and just go on Swedish meatball dates with all these baddies. So there you have it guys. I hope this video gave you a good taste of what it looks like when you're swiping on Tinder in Sweden. If you guys want to see me swipe in your city, or maybe there's a city that you'd like to see me swipe in, comment it down below, and if I like it enough, I will swipe on that one in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, pound the like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.